Today we're going to be doing Python basics like we were talking about like last week. We wanted to get into Python basics. We did C basics previously. We did some PyTorch and the previous few weeks. I want to get back into PyTorch eventually. And that's why we're getting into Python basics now. We're going to act today, right now. The important thing that I want to do first off is get our list of what we're going to learn about. So maybe variables, right? Just simple variables. We could do variables. Some very basic variables and literals, right? We should do literals. Literals. Starting with literals, getting to variables, flow control, loops, then arrays, objects, classes. We could do maybe some inheritance here. We could talk about closures, list comp, dunder methods, typecasting, reading and writing files, MapReduce, probably up a little bit higher. Literals.py. All right, so we're going to start off with the easy stuff. We'll start off with the easy stuff. What we should do is, so first thing is you're going to open up an empty file. Can you get more basic than that? Open up your text editor for an empty file. I don't know if you can get any more basic than that. Pip uninstall Windows, right? It's good to have you guys here. If I miss your chat message, it's because the chat messages are going pretty quickly and there's a lot happening. All right, so what you can do with a literal is you can literally just type a number on the screen. There you go. And you can run Python and it should work perfectly. Python. Wait, what is this file called? Literals? Okay, let's do that. So Python literals. And then you can just run it and it's fine. You can also do that here. You can say string. So string. And you can do null. I think it's null, right? Or is it null like that? Is it null all capitals? No, or is it nil? Hold on. How do you say none? It's called none. That's what it is. In Python, it's none. None is like the nil. All right, so we got comments. Comments look like that, right? So you got code comments with the octothorpes. Did you know these guys? Did you know that's called an octothorpe? Did you know that's an octothorpe? Hello, VXX guy here. How's it going, Santana? Good to see ya. Hi, love your content. How do you combat overfitting and custom random forest in ML model accuracy? You want to do regularization, right? You want to add regularization. You could also is none, right? None. And see, watch this. Did you know that this will run if you run this file? Boom, no errors. Isn't that neat? Literals. These are literals in Python. And so let's go through a few more literals. Sorry. So you got true, and you also got false. Right, so there's more literals. We also got floating point numbers, right? So you got floats there. Empty modules. We could do dictionaries, arrays. So this will run perfectly fine. See, there's no errors. No errors at all. Let's do some if-else loops. Or some if-else errors. So we'll do flow control.python. All right, so we have a number equals 10. We'll say a number 10. Number is equal to 10. So then we can say if number greater than 10, then we print number is greater than 10. Exclamation point and a party popper, right? Because it's a big number, right? We want to have a party popper in there. However, elif number is equal to 10. Then we say print number is exactly 10. And then we could be okay with it. Well, let's have like a smiley face, right? We'll have a smiley face. And then we say else, essentially, if it's not greater than 10, if it's not equal to 10, it will be less than 10, right? Then we say print number is less than 10. No, let's see here. Let's see here. Yep. Well, no, you know what? I've got a better idea. Let's do we can't, all right, here. Can we do that? No. My terminal doesn't like to show that. So we'll just do a thumbs up. Well, actually, what we should do is maybe we'll just do rain umbrella. Okay, perfect. We'll do weather. It's less than 10, so we'll do weather umbrella. Perfect. So now what we do is we say Python. What is going to be the output on the screen? I know it's a simple thing to say. What do you think when I run this finding odd or even in binary manipulation is faster than the modulus operator? We should add the modulus operator. We should add operators on this list. When no one said operators? Operators. So we've got plus, minus, divide, multiply, modulus, caret. Between Python and Python 3. The Python 2 is usually more Python 2 versus 3. They have different syntax. They've got different syntax. All right.